Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ. So after 2 days of brief consolidation, bulls bought the dip yesterday, closed at the high in a very bullish pattern of brief consolidation. And look at that continuation gap and run. Green Marubozu candlestick, where we have the open at the low of the day, the close at the high, the bulls in full control the entire time. And we're at all-time highs. Resistance is 47, 47.50, 48, all kinds of psychological numbers because the bulls are in full control. That's the bottom line here of the video. SPY bulls, no slowdown, above the upper Bollinger Band. Weekly time frame. Upper Bollinger Band is still resistance, so that's going to be up in the 247.60s as we approach it. So that's one resistance level to be keeping an eye on. And we have rejected from it enough that it's definitely worth paying attention from. We rejected from it all of June, basically. And if we do see another green day this week, that will be a factor. So keep that in mind. IWM on the daily time frame, there's that strength. Bull follow through. You can see how similar that candlestick is to SPY, a bit more so in terms of strength. Close above the upper Bollinger Band after 3 rejections in the past 5 days was a great sign for the bulls. Close at the high, all-time highs, blue sky breakout, same story. No resistance, psychological levels after 143.14, 143.50, 144, so on and so forth. Weekly time frame for IWM, upper Bollinger Band resistance has been rejecting the price for a month. That's up at 143.31, so same story. A green day, and we are going to be at this upper Bollinger Band weekly resistance, which has given the bulls some trouble in the fairly recent past. So SPY and IWM, very, very strongly correlated and similar setups on their charts. QQQ, new all-time high, bulls in extreme control. This move is extremely strong. And the past 9 green days in a row, to go from this kind of consolidation and then go straight from that bottom and break 2 resistances, including the all-time high, is fairly unheard of. Well, not the past 7 months, because this market has been fairly mind-blowing with the moves that the bulls have made on very slim volume. And it's the same thing. If you showed me this chart, and if you took away these volume bars and you said this was a normal stock, and you said, what would we need to see to get this move? I would say we would have to see more significant volume than we saw on this pullback. And it would be big time volume to see this 9-day bull move in a row. And we don't have that. But again, I've learned in the past 7 months, and really in this whole bull market, that we just don't need the volume to continue with a lack of resistance and the bulls in complete control. Big money and algo trading and all of those bulls are bullish and they want the price to go up. So we do not want to be fighting that trend, and was definitely cautious. Admittedly, if you look back at my videos, I was definitely cautious right up around here about 3-4 days ago when we were at these resistances and we were still in a lower high pattern, anticipating that we had to consolidate first, cool off before we get continuation, and we didn't see that happen at all. And a factor to that was the fact that we did have earnings coming up. So bulls were holding their positions heading into earnings, and now that earnings have come out, that's giving another leg to the upside as well, as names like Facebook and Apple are getting bought into after seeing that Netflix had a bullish reaction to earnings. Weekly time frame for QQQ after a month and a half of consolidation, bulls showing up on the verge of a bullish MACD cross. We've closed at the high of the week every single green week that we've had over the past 2 months. Look at these closes up at the highs. All these green weeks, high. That's pretty astounding. So the bulls are in full control across the board. That's the bottom line. We will consolidate at some point. It will be normal, healthy consolidation. The trend is your friend. The bulls are in full control. And that is where we stand. Of course, you want to be prepared for any kind of pullback. You want to be protecting with stop losses and things like that. But as of right now, not a bear in sight. Thanks again. We'll see you tomorrow.